Hi, I am Nandakumar, Regional Sales Manager at OPSWAT India. What you see behind me is a demo lab, a replica of a IT and a OT network. I am going to talk to you about how OPSWAT protects the world's critical infrastructure with a comprehensive cybersecurity platform, providing multiple lines of defenses across all levels of IT and OT systems. When we look at the enterprise on the IT side, the number one attack vector used today by cyber criminals is email, exploiting file attachments that can mask malicious codes or phishing by way of malicious links. Our email gateway security takes advantage of anti-phishing, deep CDR, proactive DLP, and 30 AV scanning engines to ensure that your files are safe to use, whether your email is hosted on the cloud or on premises. Organizations today need to have file uploaded to their network while ensuring all web traffic is secure. These commonly used files can play host to malicious code embedded within. Our ICAP file upload security integrates with your F5 or A10 network, ensuring all traffic is safe. ICAP also ensures that any file uploaded takes advantage of OPSWAT multi-AV scanning engine, deep CDR, and advanced data loss prevention. To my left, you see a replica of a OT network that includes industrial control systems. The biggest challenge OT operators face today is visibility and an accurate inventory of assets to be protected. OPSWAT Neuralizer solves this problem by continuously monitoring the OT network, provides asset visibility, detecting and blocking any abnormal activity. 100% purpose-built solution for OT network is our Meta Access platform. Helps in securing remote access to critical assets and ensures there is no one directly accessing devices through the network. If there are any attempted violations, instant alerts are generated, thus providing a strong line of defense. Industrial control systems like PLC and RTU are protected as well through a dedicated firewall, IDS, and IPS through our OT Fuse. Vault is a secure storage repository for files inside an OT or a secure environment. Meta Defender Vault helps in achieving zero trust by scanning the files when they come inside the secure network using industry-leading technologies like multi-scanning, deep CDR, and DLP. The IT and the OT in a truly air-gapped network or a secured network, handling of system updates in OT systems are difficult. Most organizations use removal media to move files into the network. Our Meta Defender kiosk helps in creating a secure workflow by scanning the files using CDR, multi-scanning. The clean files can be transferred to another approved media or through the network. To protect against outside threat, OT environments are more likely air-gapped. Our NetWall unidirectional security gateway ensures physically proven one-way communication, so your critical network is secure and compliant. As you can see, our integrated cybersecurity platform for both IT and OT network helps in protecting critical infrastructure from malware, keeping them up and running. Do call me or do ping me on social media or any network. Happy to help you more.